This is from our '66 album. It's about the Patriots winning and Donald Trump. Hello, winning, my old friend. Come to talk to you again. Because a vision softly creeping lifted seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. It is the sound of winning. I walk along the border wall. I say this country will not fall. Neath the halo of our leader Trump, the Dems faced a cold and wintry storm. When my eyes were stabbed by a flash of neon light that split the night and trust the sound of winning. And the light I think it saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of winning. Fools, I said, you do not know, winning like money grows. They're my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like a silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of winning. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out to implore, make the U.S. great once more. And the sun said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and White House halls, and whispered in the sounds of winning. Merry winning once again.